Most leaders focus on making their companies strong enough to survive a crisis. That's resilience. But what if you could design your business to actually get stronger from shocks and market swings? Think of a glass cup. Drop it and it shatters. That's fragile. Now think of a plastic cup. Drop it and it bounces. It stays the same. That's robust. It survives, but it doesn't gain anything. Now imagine something that grows when you drop it. That sounds strange, but it exists. A vaccination works this way. A small dose of a virus makes the body stronger. This is antifragile. The goal isn't just to bounce back. The goal is to bounce forward. We want your business to use volatility, mistakes, and even competition to become better. Not in spite of stress, but because of it. The best tool for this is called the Barbell Strategy. You put most of your resources in areas that are extremely safe. This is your foundation. It ensures you can never lose everything. Then you take a small portion of your resources and place them on highly risky, high-reward bets. These are your moonshots. If they fail, you lose a little. If they succeed, you win big. This strategy protects you from downside while giving you unlimited upside. You are not betting the farm. You are creating a portfolio of options that can explode in value when the market changes. Avoiding all risk is a trap. When you protect a business from every small stressor, you make it fragile. It grows weak and dependent. Small failures are like practice for your immune system. In practice, this means shifting from a focus on risk mitigation to risk harvesting. Instead of asking, how do we stop this from hurting us? Ask, how can we benefit when this happens? Consider your supply chain. An antifragile approach doesn't just find the cheapest supplier. It builds in redundancy and flexibility so that if one link breaks, the system reconfigures and finds a better path. Finally, look at decision-making. Long-term 5-year plans are fragile because they can't adapt. Instead, build a culture of optionality. Create a portfolio of small, low-cost experiments. Learn fast and double down on what works. The goal is to create a system where the leaders have skin in the game. If decision-makers are affected by the outcomes, they make better choices. This creates a self-correcting, antifragile machine. Please like, share, and subscribe.